Hi, welcome to Boardway warehouse. So today I'm actually giving my colleague Cherry a tour of our warehouse because it's her first time to visit the factory areas. So it's Cherry's first time to be here to see the production, and now I'm going to give her a tour about our stock house, our warehouse.
Hi Becky.
Yes.
May I know why we have so many PVC boards here?
So here, that is where we put our storage, where we put all our board that we did not ship yet or we did not send yet. So we keep stock. So as you can see, those board behind me is our storage. So we have a storage list. So that's a few reasons we do this. First, that we have some customers, they're using the same product every month. But it's hard to make small production, so we sign a stock contract with them, and then we make storage for them. So when they want it, we send it immediately. So that will make the production easier, right?
Yeah.
And the second situation is that sometimes during a production, you cannot get like exactly the quantity as you want. You will always produce some pieces extra in case there's some bad quality one, so you can exchange it. You have a replacement. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes. Cherries, this is our packing areas. So you can see there is some domestic packing and there's some export packing.
Okay. May I know what kind of packing way do we have?
Oh, you mean the export packing?
Yeah.
So we have three kinds. So one kind is PE bag packing, and then that's rolled without padding. So by this way, customer can really load a lot of quantity because there's no padding, so they can load a lot. And second is carton. Carton is can protect the board better, and at the same time it's without padding, so they can load a lot to a little bit less than PE bag packing. And the third way, the most common way, is this kind of pallet packing. So you can see that we normally use plywood pallets, so that you can export it directly without any problems. So you can see these are the order we're going to roll this week. So they are all packed here, ready. So when the container comes, we can directly load them.
Okay, I see. Thank you for your introduction, Becky.
You're welcome.
Hi Becky.
Yes, sir.
As I see, here have many color PVC boards.
Yes.
May I know how many colors we can manufacture?
Oh, for color PVC board that you can, when we visit the production areas, you notice we have 7 machines, right?
Yeah.
So our line number 4, production number 4, especially produce color PVC foam board. And as you can see the stock, we have many colors. We have yellow, blue, red, all kind of colors, black and brown. We have a lot of brown. Actually,
yeah.
We have a few customers who require brown in a big quantity every month. So you're asking how many color we can make. I don't know, a lot. We can make any colors as long as you give us a color code, or you can pick from our sample, like those normal color we produce, like the color that you see right now is all the color we can make. But if you have a special color, you can give us a code from like there's some international code book. You can give us a code, and then normally we can match the color about 90%.
Okay, I see. And may I know, do you have MOQ for this color?
Oh, that's a good question. So yes, we do have MOQ. So like our MOQ is about 10 pounds. Like for example, for 15 mm 0.5 density, it will be about 700 pieces for a color. But if your order is not very urgent, that you say, oh, I can wait, then we can require the quantity a little bit less, because we can combine your order with other customers' order to produce it together. So we just need to communicate, and then we need to know each other's requirement.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
You're welcome.